What's the meaning of concerted? Concerted. Concerted.
Concerted. Concerted. The word concerted means working together in a coordinated manner towards a common goal or objective. When something is done in a concerted effort, it implies that a group of people put in a collective and synchronized effort to achieve a desired outcome. This could be applied in various contexts, such as a team working towards a project deadline, a community coming together to tackle a social issue, or a country working to address a national crisis. Overall, the term signifies a united and determined action for a specific purpose.